Good morning, friends. Welcome again to the Achiever series for JAIIB May 24 objective questions for RBWM. Okay. So yesterday we started some questions. Yeah. So yesterday we started with the series, and today we'll be covering the other topics as such. So here we are presently in Module A. So we are covering majority of the questions of Module A. Of course, all of them are not possible to be covered, but we are trying to cover the maximum questions out of this. Okay, we are covering all the objective questions, mainly that. Okay, so everyone kindly follow this till the end in toto. Okay, chalo, let's start. Good morning, everyone. Say hi. Say good morning. Hi, morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, chalo, let's start. Yeah, first question. See here, we are in presently in module A. So module A is basically a type of introduction phase. Okay. So advantages of retail banking include. So what are the advantages of retail banking? Look at this. All the options. Look at this. Hold on. Yeah. The advantages of retail banking include what? Which are the advantages? Higher interest spread, then spread over risk spread over large client base. So that is also right or no? Now you have to tell me. Strong customer loyalty. And last one is high volatility in demand for retail products. So the answers options are A to D all of them. Then A to C only, A to C. C1 is only A and B, and D1 is only B and C. So what do you think should be the answer over here? Oh, 1 second. Is it coming behind me? Hold on. Yeah, hold on. I think so. It is coming behind me. Hold on. Now it's okay. Yeah. So now it's not coming behind me. Oh, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. Yeah, let me see. Good morning, Nivedha. Good morning. So give me the answer. Yeah, the advantages of retail banking include, yeah, higher risk rate. Is it A to D all, or A to C only, or only A and B, or is it related to B, means B and C only? So what is the answer? Yeah, it is. Here, higher interest rate, that is the answer. That is correct answer. Risk spread over large client base, that is also correct answer. Strong customer loyalty, that is also correct answer. But high volatility in demand of retail products, that is not the correct answer. Because in retail products, the volatility is very less. It's not that much. Okay. So therefore the answer will be B, only A to C. Okay. The answer will be A to C only. Okay. It will be only A to C. Got it, everyone? Clear? Shall we move on? Chalo. Next one. Yeah. This one. Which of the following is not an advantage available in retail banking? Not. Look at this one. Not an advantage. We want not now. Okay. Credit risk well diversified. Regular demand for products from customers. Mass selling of the products. And average cost of returning the account is very high. Means account means returning the customer. Average cost of returning customer is very high. So which of them is not the advantage? Tell me, everyone. Is it A, B, C or D? Think over it. Think over it. So what is the answer? Think over it. Is it credit risk? Well, we want not the advantage. Huh? Is it credit risk well diversified? Not the answer. Regular demand for products from customers? Not the answer. Not. Huh? We want not. Mass selling of products? Not the answer. Average cost of returning the customer is very high. Now it should not be an advantage. Which one is not the advantage? So the answer over here is, everyone, it is here. All of them are advantages except all of them. See this: risk well diversified, advantage. Regular demand for products from customers, advantage. Here risk well diversified means what? We give the loans to various customers, smaller customers. So our risk is not getting concentrated to big companies. Okay. Always remember, the advantage of retail banking is risk gets spread to smaller customers. Regular demand for products from customers, that is also correct. Mass selling, we also believe in volumes, huge volume. So that is also an advantage. Only this is not the advantage. Higher cost of returning the account is very high. So this is not the advantage of retail banking. Okay. Actually, I'll tell you, higher cost of returning the account is very low. It's not that high in retail banking. In corporate banking, it is very high. Okay, I'll give you a simple example. Suppose if you have to get the account of Reliance, current account of Reliance or any CC of Reliance. Okay, that is one case. And case number 2, you have to get the account, savings account of some retail customer. Somebody is earning around 50,000 per month. Getting whose account is difficult? Tell me. Getting whose account is difficult? Is it Reliance's account getting difficult? Or is that 50,000 person's account getting difficult? Whose account is difficult? Obviously, Reliance's account is very difficult to get it, right? Because that requires huge energy, huge number of people. So that's why average cost of returning the account to the retail banking is low. Okay, move on. Chalo, next one. To cover the high operational costs, in the offering, okay, in the retail banking products, banks encourage what? What do banks encourage over here? Use of ATM, telephone, internet, call centers, benchmarking. So what do the branch banking? Benchmarking, it's not benchmarking, it's branch banking. So ATM network, telephone network, internet banking, call centers and branch banking. What do the banks encourage nowadays? What do we tell the people to use maximum? You think over it and tell me. Everyone, yes? The answer is, everyone, the answer is A to D. Here, E is not the answer. A to D all is the answer because high operational cost. The high operational cost is because of branch banking. The more we have human interface, the cost will be escalating. So to cover this operational cost, banks are telling the customers to use the alternative channels or e-channels, that is ATM, telephone, internet, call centers, anything. Okay, so that's why this is the A to D all is the answer. Okay, A, B, C and D. E is not the answer. Got it? Next one. Which one of the following delivery modes have shown higher growth in the recent years? Recent years means after the COVID. Which one of them has shown higher, very high? Branch banking, ATM, website, internet, mobile, phone banking transactions. So who has shown maximum growth? Yeah. Who has shown maximum growth in this? Okay. Who has shown the maximum growth in this? Who has shown the maximum growth? Yes. Has ATM shown the maximum growth? Branch banking shown? Website, internet, mobile banking shown? Correct. The answer is C. Website, internet, mobile banking. In recent years, after the COVID, you saw this. In COVID, there was a huge surge in internet banking, app banking, mobile banking. Huge. Why? Because people couldn't go to branches, couldn't go to ATMs, right? Even the phone banking personnel who were to respond, who were to answer, they were also not available at that time. So that's why this website, internet and mobile banking gained a huge success. Okay. So that is the answer C. Next one. The banking industry is dominated by universal bank that combines the function of. So what does universal bank combine? What does universal bank consist of? Commercial, investment banks, retail business, all of the above. So universal bank, what does it consist of? Everyone, think over it. Commercial, investment, retail, and all of the above. Think over it. Okay. Let me see the answers. Everyone, let me see the answers. Yes. For this. Let me see the answers. What is commercial banking? Commercial, investment, retail. Commercial banking means what? Commercial means related to commerce. Means what? It's related to all that POS machine, point of sale machine. We have those nowadays. POS machine everywhere. Go and swipe your card. Okay, no need of cash. So that is commercial banking. Okay, plus other features also. This is one part. Then investment banks. In what is investment banks? IPOs. In commercial banks, we also include this companies. Okay, MSMEs. So investment banks. What are investment banks? IPOs. Whenever we bring the IPOs, right? That IPO is done by this investment bank and retail business. So that's obviously there. So it includes D, correct? It includes D. D is the answer. All of the above. All of the above is the answer. Okay. Nowadays, all the banks are focusing on universal banking. Everyone. Now you can't separate yourselves from like I am in retail banking only. I am in corporate banking only. I am doing this banking only. Nothing. You have to do all the businesses. You might have seen your pressures also in the bank. How many of you have this? Do you have the pressure for this insurance sales nowadays? Type yes. Do you have the pressure for insurance sales? Everyone. Just type yes or no in the comment section. Insurance. Third party products. Yeah, do you have the pressure? Good morning, Rohi. Good morning, Rohi. Good morning, everyone. Again, kindly watch this session from the start. Okay? Yeah, again watch it. So, do you have the pressure for insurance, everyone? Yes. isn't it? Everyone is having the pressure for insurance now. Everyone. Because it's a third party product. That's a part of your universal banking. That's a part of your universal banking. Okay. Move on. Chalo. Next one. Now this is a bit difficult one. Huh? This is really difficult. Which of the following group of developments increase the scope of retail banking business in India? Here, group of developments. Which development led to the growth of retail banking in India? So which one? Here, look at the options. I'll cover all the A to D, all of them. Okay, hold on. Now this is a bit difficult one. Huh? This is a bit tougher one. So that's why I'll include all of them. Look at this. Which of the following led to the growth in retail banking business? One is strong economic fundamentals, growing urban population, high disposable income, and high tax rates. Think over it. Huh? Don't immediately answer. Don't immediately answer. Think over it. Okay, think over it. Don't immediately answer this question because it is a bit tricky one. Strong economic fundamentals, high urban rate, high disposable income, and high tax rates. Next, which has led to the growth of banking, retail banking? That's the question is. Emergence of new customer segment, growing urban population, higher disposable income, strong economic fundamentals. Option number 2, C. Rise in service industry, growing urban population, higher disposable income, strong economic fundamentals, and declining in manufacturing. And D is all of the above. Now think over it. A, B, C, or D. Think fast. Look at this. All the options now I'm showing. Okay. Think over it. What is the correct option over here? What do you think? Very tricky one. Really tricky. Option. Okay. Okay, I'll answer it now. Okay. Look at this answer. Be very clear about it. Here. A is not the answer. Why is not the answer? Because high tax rates. Here. Whatever is negative will not lead to the retail banking business growth. Negative. What is, okay. If you are told to pay higher taxes, is it positive or negative? If you tomorrow are told to pay higher taxes, is it positive or negative? That is negative. So that's why high tax rates is a negative part. It will not be leading to the growth of retail banking. So A is gone. Okay, A is gone now. Now B. Okay, let's see B later. Now let's see C first. B I'll come to it later. What is negative I'll give you first. C. Declining growth rate in manufacturing. So is it positive or negative? Everything else is positive. Rise in growth, service industry, growing urban population, higher disposable income, strong economic fundamentals, all this is positive. What is negative? Declining. So whenever something is negative, that will not lead to retail banking business growth. So C is also not the answer. Now let's look at B now. Emergence of new customer segment, positive. Growing urban population, positive. High disposable income, positive. Strong economic fundamentals, positive. So all are positive. There is no negative answer in this. So that's why B is the answer. Got it? The answer is B. Remember, C seems to be the answer, but C has a catch in it. That's why I said C is a tricky one. Why? Because there is a declining growth rate in manufacturing. Is it the right thing? Are we declining in manufacturing? No, we are not declining at all in manufacturing. We are growing. Okay? We are growing hugely in manufacturing. Got it? So that's why this is not the answer. B is the answer. Got it? Move on. Chalo. Next one. The highest amount of retail asset of banking business in India comes from the following as per RBI data. So retail asset, which is the highest retail asset? Credit card receivables, auto loans, consumer durable loans, and housing loans. So which is the correct answer over here? Think over it. Highest Highest retail loans comes from credit card, auto loans. Here it's in amount. Amount. It's told that amount. It's not the numbers. We are talking of amount, and that also retail loans. Highest retail loans. They come from what? You'll all get confused between consumer durable C and D. I'll tell you. You all will get confused between C and D. Okay. So the answer is D. Remember this, housing loan. Housing loan is a major sector which earns banks huge income, huge income. Earns huge income for the banks. Got it? That is a housing loan. That is the beauty of housing loans. Here, more than 50% of the income of retail banking loans. Okay, loans. 50% of the income, more than 50%, comes from housing loans. Everyone remember this. That's why all the banks are now focusing on housing loans. All of them. Everyone wants housing loans. Why? Because there are 2-3 advantages. What are the advantages of housing loan? Firstly, your LTV ratio is lower. It means, suppose if I am buying the house for, let's say, 50 lakhs, my loan is less than that. My loan will be around 85 to 90%. Okay. So, let's say 80%. If it is 80%, so around 40 lakhs. Now, afterwards, I'll ask you one more question. After 10 years, even if this loan becomes NPA, let's think of this case. After 10 years, even if this loan becomes NPA, then what will happen? Nothing will happen. Why? Because the value of that house might have increased by then. So even if the bank takes it under the SARFAESI Act, see here, we all have the housing loans under SARFAESI Act, and bank sells that house, even then bank will be getting higher amount. So that's why it is totally safe for the bank to do the housing loans. And that's why all the banks are focusing on this housing loans. Okay, got it? Chalo, next one. Which is the most costly mode of offering retail banking services out of the following? So most costly mode of offering retail banking services: telephone banking, ATM banking, branch banking, and internet banking. Costly mode: telephone, ATM, branch, and internet. Now this is very simple. You need to answer this. This is very simple. Everyone needs to answer this. Okay? Yeah. Think over it. Think over it. Most costly mode, huh? Costly we want, costly. So the answer over here is costly. Remember, always, 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 branch network is costly. Always remember this. Branch network is always costly. Okay. Why is it costly? Because we have used employees, then the regular expenses, electricity, water, all this rent. Okay. Employee cost, not only salaries but other cost also, PPF, ESI, all these things, right? So that's why, remember, this branch network is costly. Although we all might feel bad about it, because branch network means we are working in the branch, right? So we are in the branch. But the problem is, this is the fact. Whatever is the fact is a fact. You can't explain. You can't change it. Got it? So that's why. Yeah, the answer is this branch network is a costliest mode. Remember this, it's a costliest mode. That's why all the banks are telling the customers to shift to the online channels. Now you see, majorly online banking is increasing a lot in retail banking. Even you get loans now in online banking. Okay. Now with the advent of this e-rupee, you know all this e-rupee? Has everyone studied about e-rupee over here? Does everyone know e-rupee over here? E-rupee is a new change which is coming up in the banking system. E-rupee. Okay. Under e-rupee, whenever there is a e-rupee, remember, the whole banking scenario will change in e-rupee. Remember this. Very important e-rupee. Kindly study that because that is an important part for your e-rupee is basically CBDC, central bank digital currency. Okay, that is a basically e-rupee concept. So that will change the overall banking scenario drastically. Okay, kindly read it. I'll cover this topic someday. Okay, I'll definitely cover it. So coming back, look at this. So done this question. So branch network. Now we'll do the last one. Last one for today. Banks adopted the following business approach for retail banking: SBU, departmental, integrated, and generalized approach. So which approach have banks maintained for retail banking? SBU, departmental, integrated, and last one is generalized. So answer is A and C only, A and B only, B and C only, and A to C all. Think of this. Think of this, everyone. Correct, Ruhi, you are right. Ruhi Sharma, right? Yeah. Niveda also right. Okay. Okay. So tell me now, which is the business approach this adopted by the bank? I'll give you the answer. Say this. The answer is A to C all. A to C all. Now what are these business models? We are having them in the next chapters. Means coming chapters somewhere we'll be having this. SBU, departmental, integrated. Okay. We are having all this here. I'll give you one line definition. SBU means what? Every branch, remember, every branch will do their expenses from their profits. Head office will not help them. That is SBU. Departmental means I am having a savings department, current department, loan department, which we follow in our nationalized banks. Integrated is followed in small banks. Small banks means everyone does all the jobs. Means I'll do clearing also, I'll do this also, I'll do that also, I'll do everything. That is integrated. Generalized, there is nothing called a generalized approach. There is no approach of generalized. Okay. So that's why this is not the answer. Got it? So the answer is A to C all. Okay. Chalo. Now before going, let me show you this batches. Join these batches immediately. Just now started. See this. JAIIB Achievers Foundation batch. PPB, IFS, AFM, RBWM, all of them covered for May 24. You can join the JAIIB Mahapack also 2.0. In JAIIB Mahapack 2.0, you get various objective questions plus case studies plus theory plus numericals plus various batches. Per subject you get around 5 to 6, around 10 batches. So that is a Mahapack. Very important. Plus you get ebooks over there. I'll show you all of them, how to join it. You are having a separate JAIIB plus bank promotion Mahapack. So if you are going for bank promotion also, you can opt for the combined Mahapack. I'll show you how to get it. Go to Adda 24/7. Here, I'll always suggest you to go through the app for going to Adda 24/7. Why? Because in the app, you get basically the coin systems. And in coin systems, you get around 1% extra. See this. Go to Adda 24/7. Gone. From here, go to JAIIB and CIB. Look at this. JAIIB and CIB. Okay. Now click on JAIIB May 24 to get this. And done. You will see this. JAIIB Achievers Foundation batch English. Click on this. Okay. Look at the fees. 75% off is going on. Huge discount. DEC December 75 code. DEC 75 4999.75. Click on buy now. So here, importantly remember, what do you get in this? Limited size batch, recorded videos, interactive classes, expert faculties, plus ebooks you get, plus test series you get. Click on buy now. Okay, you'll see this code is already applied over here. Then look at the fees, it has reduced. So just click on continue, fill in your details, make the payment and done. Okay, you can join the Mahapack also. In Mahapack, whenever you join this, say this. In Mahapack, say this. In JAIIB Mahapack, similarly any Mahapack, I'll show you one. Okay, in JAIIB Mahapack, you are getting double validity plus 75% off. So here you get ebooks also, test series also, online classes, videos. Okay. Now look at this ebooks. Click on this ebooks. You'll get subject wise. Click on this subject. You'll get chapter wise. Similarly, tests are also chapter wise. Click on this test. You'll get subject and then click on it. You'll get chapter wise. So it's in so details. Okay. So that's why join this immediately. Join the Mahapack. Join the batches immediately. Okay. Because discounts are huge and even the double validity offers. Double validity offers are available for 6 months and 12 months. Okay. Chalo, bye from my